Hi, this is Dilip. I am from second year CSE department, and the fourth experiment in my lab is um, calculator using functions, and reverse using functions, and factorial using functions. These are user defined functions. This is the header file hash include iostream, and this is standard library namespace, and the void showcase. Void is used kind of data that it going to return no value, and this is all in a function. This is all declaration. This is all function declaration, and here the data type is integer, and the name is add, and these are the arguments, and the arguments are of int, and one more the thing in declaration is int subtract, and these are the two other arguments, and similarly the multiply and divide arguments. Divide is also float type, and the arguments are also float type, and this is the main function. This is a void showcase function. In void showcase, I have initialized some variables as n, a, b, and the cout statement as select any one out of as they ask for menu of what are the operations going to be performed. I have created a menu over here. This is adding, this is for subtraction, and this is for multiply, and this is for division. From the user, the choice is going to be entered whether it is addition or subtraction or multiplication, and the input will be taken as n, and the first number and second number will be taken as input from the user as they enter the first number and they enter the second number. This is the switch case, and the cases are different cases are add a, b. This is function calling, and the break statement. This is for subtract, and this is for multiply. These are all function calling, and the default I have written here as your choice is invalid. If you are giving other than these options, it's going to show you your choice is an invalid option. This is all function definition. In function definition, I have written add as a integer data type, and these are the int x and integer y. These are the arguments, and for this is for addition. See out the adding of x and y is, and this is for subtraction. Similarly, this is for multiplication, and this is for division. Now I'm gonna run the experiment. Enter your choice. I'm gonna enter the addition 1, first number 45, the second number is 3. The adding of 45 and 3 is 45 is displayed over here. I'm gonna run for the other input. Let's take this time multiplication. I'm gonna take multiplication, and my choice of numbers will be like 3, 4. The subtraction of 3 and 4 is -1 is displayed over here. The next experiment I'm going to explain is about factorial using function, and this is the standard hash include iostream using namespace standard library, and in the function definition, this is function declaration. In function declaration, I had took the name as factorial, and these are the arguments. I have here initialized a variable f as 1. In while condition, while loop, this is the condition x greater than 0, and this is for the calculating the factorial of a number. I'm going to return the f. In the main function, this is the function definition, and here I have written int fact, k, and I have initialized them. This is the cout statement for enter number to find factorial, and I'm going to run this, and I'm going to show you the output. Enter the number to find factorial. I'm going to enter 4. The factorial of 4 is 24. Thank you for watching my video.